Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is a tutorial on how to upload a video on your channel. As you can see, I have uploaded a lot of videos throughout the weeks because I just started uploading. Okay, so you want to find the file. You want to find the file in your OBS. Show recordings. And is this it? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is a tutorial on how to upload. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Is this still recording? My god. Oh wait, yeah. Alright, so you want to create, press create, select files, videos. Alright, you see this? You gotta make a, hold on, let me think about it. You gotta make a title. Alright, if you already have another person, if you have like another person's music, you gotta put the credits. So credits to hold on, Smooth Big Groove for the Alright, now you wanna look up a image on Google. Terraria Java Edition. Images. TerraCraft. It's cool. Minecraft Terraria Edition. Alright, enough of me just laughing at things. Wait, cancel. This is a better one. Java Edition. Now, you want to find the thumbnail right here. You can set whatever you want. This is optional. Video elements checks visibility. You want to put it to public if you want. Checks. Just need to find like, yeah. You can add tags if you want. Terraria. You could add things if you want. Uh, standard YouTube lessons. Recording date. Location. Alright. You want to... most of the things right here is optional. So, you click publish. And you close it. Send it to your... Ugh, God, I have hiccups. Sorry, I'm sick and I have hiccups, so... So, while this is uploading, I'm gonna... I think that's it. You just have to wait for it to upload, and I think that's it. Bye.